Dude, look at this. Look what I have. Oh, dang it. You were sniped right when you walked out. That wasn't fair.
I miss playing hopscotch.
Are you even getting hurt?
I get hurt and then I get healed again. Ow!
Oh!
You fucking killed me!
Oh! You got your gun. I'm gonna get you again. I'm gonna get you again.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Oh, I'm gonna shoot. You look like a traitor. You look like a dang traitor. Kill you. Kill you. You're a traitor. I like traitors because I am one.
Oh fuck, they got Bravo.
Oh fuck, they got Bravo.
What
Oh no. What are these photos?
I have kill all the normies.
Hey, Bravo is under attack, guys.
The autistic screeching is too much.
Positive frag. Hey, heads up, hostiles are attacking front.
Ow, my... Dude, that alarm sounds hilarious.
What alarm?
There's an alarm that goes... No, that's seriously how it sounds, though. That's seriously... Okay, listen for that alarm. Listen for the alarm. It's in the game. It sounds like... Spooky, scary skeletons shiver down your spine.